Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be discussing about the syntax of declaring the default method. So, what is the syntax of declaring the default method? So, if you want to declare any default method, we have to use a keyword called default. We have to use a keyword called default, and you should be writing the return type. Return type should be there, method name, and the parameters and a list of parameters if any. You have to provide the list of parameters if any are there. If any list of parameters are there, you should be enclosed inside this braces. Okay, now inside this method body we'll be writing the list of statements. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and so on. In statements we can write it. Statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, statement 5, and so on. N statements and so on. N statements. Okay, so let's see an example of the default method. So this is the syntax of default methods. You should be following the same syntax to in order to declare the default method. Now let's see a simple example. Now what I'll do is I'll be taking a method name called welcome. I'll be accepting this string. I'll be accepting name as a string. Okay, and I'll be returning the name with hello. Okay, hello with name. Okay, let's see. Default keyword that I should use method name is welcome, and I'll be accepting the name string name as a parameter, and I'll be inside this. What I'll do is I'll be writing some sysout statement. Welcome to Java 8 programming, and now what I'll do is I'll be returning the hello message. Hello, and I want to concatenate name. And so this is what type hello and name. This is a string type. Now let me write the return type as a string. So I am returning a string value, right? Now my return type would be a string itself. Okay. So now, so this is an example, one of the example of writing a default method. We can write one more method. Let's say for example, we have an addition method. Okay. An addition method, let's say it is taking two parameters, int num1 comma int num2. These are the two values it is taking it. Now what we'll do is we'll be performing the addition of these two numbers, num1 plus num2, and we'll be storing the result. I'll be storing the result into the result variable. Now I want to return this result outside of this method. What I'll do is I'll say return result. Result is the type of what? Int. So if you are writing the result, you are returning the type int value. Okay, so and it is a default method as well. So this is how you will be writing the default methods inside the interface. In the next session we will be discussing about the static methods. Until then, thank you for watching.